Good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. Anita Alice, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Auxilium College. The topic which I have chosen for the e-content is bank accounts. We all know what is a bank. It is defined as a place for keeping money and valuables safely, the money being paid out on the customer's order. So in a nutshell, the Banking Regulation Act 1949 defines banking as accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the public repayable on demand or otherwise and withdrawable by check, draft, order or otherwise. There are various legal requirements which the banking company has to follow. We all know it should be prepared in a prescribed form. That is the Form A out in the third schedule and profit and loss account. Accounting year to be followed. Then the banking company should not enter into trading activity. The share capital should be maintained with the structure given by the Reserve Bank of India. The amount which the reserve fund has to be maintained and the payment of dividend to be done, payment of commission to be given and various charges on uncalled capitals. Among all the other things, here are certain items which require special attention in preparing the final account. The important special treatment of the item over here is rebate on bills discounted. This is also termed as unexpired discount or discount received but not earned. Bills discounted may have maturity beyond the current accounting year. The amount of discount relating to the period of a bill falling in the next accounting year. For example, if a bill is discounted on 1st December 2000 for 3 months as its maturity with an amount of rupees 6,000 and the accounts are closed on 31st December, here the unexpired discount relating to the 2 month will be rupees 2,000 each for 2 months. In order to give a clear explanation, here is a problems which is being displayed over here. How we can calculate the rebate on bills discounted with the closing accounting year on March 31st, 2023. Nearly 4 bills are being given with certain amounts and the period of maturity as well as the rate of discount is being displayed. So in order to compute the bills discounted, here the number of days to be calculated after 31st March to the date of maturity of the bill plus 3 days of grace period to be taken. That is, for example, with the first bill on 15th January 2023, the period of maturity they have given is 5 months. So if you compute those 5 months, it comes from February, March, April, May and June. In order to calculate the rebate, you have to take into consideration the period after 31st March. So you will be taking, which is given in red color, April, which consists of 30 days, May, which consists of 31 days, and in the June, 15 days plus 3 days of grace, which gives you 18 days. So totally you will be having 79 days. Same for the case of the second bill, which they state on 10th February 2023 with a maturity of 4 months. So if you take into considerations March, April, May, June is considered as the month, but for computing the rebate you will be taking after March, that is April with 30 days, May with 31 days and June with 10 plus 3 days of grace, that is 13 days. So totally you are getting 74 days. The next bill, if you take into consideration, it is on 25th February 2023 with a period of maturity having 4 months. So March, April, May and June. So same way if you compute, you will have in the month of April 30 days, May 31 days, and in the month of June 25 plus 3 days, 28 days, in total 89 days. Same way, for the last bill, that is on 20th March 2023, the date of maturity is extended for 3 months. So you are getting April, May, June. So there is no confusion over here. So need not worry about the March month. So it is from April only it is starting. So April with 30 days, May 31 days, and June 23 days. That is 20 days plus 3 days of grace. So you are getting 84 days. So how this is being computed, if you look into this screen, so 25,000 is the amount of, already we know what is the days of, computations to be given for the rebate. It is 79 days. So 79 by 365 for the year into rate of percentage. That is the discount which is given as 8%. So you are getting an amount of 432.88. Same way for the second bill, 15,000 into 74 divided by 365 into 7%, you are getting 212.88. The third bill, which constitute with 20,000 into 89 divided by 365 into 7%, you are getting 341.37. Same way the last bill, which constitute 30,000 amount, for the days of rebate is 84 divided by 365 into 9%, which gives you 621.37. So total amount of the rebate is 1,608.50. Listen, if the month, the year is leap year, you will take into consideration as 366 days. If it is non-leap year, you will be taking into consideration of 365 days. Thank you.